Tammy Slaton has once again stunned the internet with her latest pictures showcasing the most dramatic transformation of her life after losing an astonishing 500 pounds. The 1000lb Sisters star, who once battled life-threatening health issues and the struggles of obesity, now shines with confidence, strength, and a new outlook on life. Her recent posts flooded social media feeds with positivity as fans, friends, and family celebrated her perseverance and determination to reclaim her life. For years, Tammy Slaton's journey has been documented on TLC's hit show 1000lb Sisters, where viewers witnessed her extreme health challenges, hospitalizations, and moments when her future seemed uncertain. At her heaviest, Tammy weighed over 700 pounds and relied on oxygen support and mobility aids to manage her daily life. Doctors repeatedly warned her that if she did not change her lifestyle, she would be risking her life with every passing day. For many fans who have followed her from the beginning, the latest images showing her vibrant new look and healthy glow are nothing short of inspirational. The pictures sparked an emotional wave online because they are not just photos, but a powerful symbol of resilience and the human spirit's ability to push through the darkest times toward healing. In the new photos, Tammy is almost unrecognizable compared to the woman who first appeared on television. Her face is slimmer, her skin glows with health, and her smile seems brighter than ever before. She appears confident posing for the camera, wearing clothes that she never thought would fit her body just a few years ago. For a woman who once struggled to simply stand up or walk short distances, her transformation feels like a miracle to fans who prayed she would survive her health struggles. Tammy's weight loss journey wasn't easy, nor was it quick. She faced countless obstacles, including mental health battles, the grief of losing loved ones, toxic relationships, and setbacks that would have broken many others. Yet, she persevered, working closely with doctors, nutritionists, and therapists to not only lose weight but also heal from the inside out. Her gastric bypass surgery was a pivotal moment, but it was her commitment to follow through with diet, exercise, and a new mindset that truly cemented her success. Fans flooded Tammy's comment section on Instagram and TikTok with thousands of supportive messages. "We are so proud of you, Tammy," one fan wrote, while another commented, "You are proof that no matter how hard life gets, change is possible." Many expressed tears of joy, remembering the early seasons of 1000lb Sisters, where Tammy often broke down crying, saying she feared she wouldn't live to see another year. Today, those same fans are celebrating a victory that feels personal to them because they have been emotionally invested in her story for years. What makes Tammy's transformation so touching is not just the physical change but the emotional growth she displays. She speaks more confidently now, she engages with fans in uplifting ways, and she openly shares her gratitude for the second chance at life she has been given. Even her sister Amy Slaton, who has been through her own ups and downs, has publicly expressed how proud she is of Tammy. Their once turbulent relationship seems to have healed as Tammy's health improvements brought them closer than ever. The entertainment world is also taking notice. News outlets, celebrity bloggers, and health experts have highlighted Tammy's transformation as one of the most dramatic and inspiring in reality TV history. Her story is not just about losing weight, it is about overcoming addiction, trauma, and despair. For years, Tammy admitted to emotional eating, using food as a way to cope with pain. It became a cycle that threatened her life, but now she uses healthier coping mechanisms, prioritizing mental wellness and self-care. In interviews, Tammy has explained that she finally realized she wanted to live, not just exist. That realization became the turning point that gave her the strength to fight harder than ever before. Of course, the road to weight loss was not always smooth. Tammy dealt with critics, online trolls, and doubters who didn't believe she could change. Some even mocked her size on the show, while others wrote her off as hopeless. Her victory is especially sweet because she proved them all wrong. She showed the world that change is possible even when it feels out of reach. She became a living testament to the fact that people can fall down countless times and still rise stronger. Fans admire not only her physical transformation but also her courage to share such a vulnerable journey with millions of viewers. Her success is now inspiring others struggling with obesity and health issues. Many fans say they joined weight loss programs or took steps to improve their health after watching Tammy's progress. She has unintentionally become a role model, showing people that with the right support system and determination, even the most impossible goals can be reached. Doctors have also pointed out that her weight loss adds years to her life expectancy, drastically reduces her risk of heart failure, diabetes complications, and other obesity-related illnesses. Simply put, Tammy gave herself the gift of time, a chance to live life fully. Tammy's new lifestyle includes healthier eating habits, regular physical activity, and staying consistent with therapy. She often shares motivational quotes with fans online, encouraging them to love themselves enough to keep trying. Unlike in the past where she struggled to commit long-term, she now embraces consistency and patience, understanding that true transformation is about daily choices, not overnight fixes. Her support system, which includes her siblings, close friends, and loyal fans, has been instrumental in helping her stay accountable. The impact of Tammy's transformation extends beyond her personal life. The 1000lb Sisters show has gained renewed interest as viewers tune in to see her incredible progress. TLC producers are reportedly highlighting more of her new life in upcoming episodes, showing fans the behind-the-scenes reality of what it truly takes to maintain such a drastic lifestyle change. Speculation is also swirling about potential new opportunities for Tammy, from motivational speaking engagements to book deals. Many believe her story could inspire millions if she chose to write a memoir detailing her journey from near-death struggles to victorious health. Despite all the praise, Tammy remains humble. She frequently tells fans that she is still a work in progress and that the journey is far from over. She admits there are still hard days but insists that the difference now is she doesn't give up when challenges arise. That determination has become the heart of her transformation and the reason she is celebrated so widely today. Her latest pictures are not just about showing off a slimmer figure, they are about proving to herself and the world that she survived what once seemed impossible. As Tammy Slaton continues her journey, fans are eagerly cheering her on, knowing that she represents more than just a reality star. She is a beacon of hope, proof of resilience, and a living reminder that no matter how heavy the burden, both physically and emotionally, it is possible to overcome. Her new pictures are not just viral moments, they are history-making snapshots of one woman's courage to fight for her life and come out stronger than ever. The proud reactions pouring in from fans all around the world reflect how deeply Tammy's journey has touched people. From strangers leaving heartfelt comments to longtime supporters who have watched her from season 1, the overwhelming consensus is clear: Tammy Slaton is an inspiration. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.